Dear brothers and sisters, we thank God that we have arrived in Namugongo. We thank the cross which we blessed last year in November, Christ the King. And the intention was that as we read Namugongo, to be the one to lead the people from Jinja to the Basilica here, to the ground of Namugongo where Charles Lwanga and his friends were burnt and killed. So the cross has done wonders in Jinja. We did not move from parish to parish. We had the small crosses. If you see the red ones, those went from sub-center to sub-center, from Kabondo to Kabondo, from home to home. So this is the one which has led us to here, and we are happy that we improvised all the matters. That's why we called it the cross of the Uganda matters. So we are now going to pray to bless it. If you touch it, if you pray in faith, maybe a small problem will also be cooled down. Our help is in the name of the Lord,
who made heaven and earth.
The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
Let us
the cross, and it is being delivered here at the altar.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.